In this video, I will show you how to create a recurring meeting in Teams. To do this, simply go and open up Microsoft Teams, and in the left menu go to Meet, and what you want to do here is go to Schedule a Meeting. Now first just enter a title, weekly meeting, then enter the name, email or phone number of people you want to invite. Just enter all of the details that you would usually add, and from there you want to go and click on Does Not Repeat and click on the drop down. Now here you can set how often it repeats. For example, weekly, repeat every 1 week on, let's say, Monday, starts on this date, and you can also set an end date, or you can leave that blank. And now every single Monday this meeting will occur. If you click save, you now have the invitation right here where you can also invite people to join it. And now in the Meet section you will see it right here. And now here in the Meet section you can see the recurring meeting right here that now recurs every single week, where you can just join it and the same people will be invited every single week. So now you know how to create a recurring meeting in Teams. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.